Very testing now. Hi guys, everyone. I am Zulkarnain. I read my chapter of two books launched Amazon. One book is the ABC Coloring Kids. ABC 123 Coloring book for kids available on Amazon on the Happy Souls, Fancy Gats, Mini City, Mini Summer, High Sleep. Welcome to my podcast show on the Happy Souls. Yellows. Very interesting. Today topic is the check now. Today topic is the mental host podcast show. Simon Alexander coming from now, and then Foster, Daniel Johnson podcast show. I am super getting today. Mindset is positive and learning mindset, force, focus, energize, energy builds, mentorship programs, ministry. I will try to know ministry, mentorship, and my life successful. Grateful mindset. You are today. I will today check now. Voice is my clears, camera clears. Ready. I will accept it. You and my focus. You. My camera is focused. I am eating a super tea. Okay. Anyways. Okay. I am eating a super tea. Camera is clear. Yes. Yes. Camera is clear. Okay. Accepted. Okay. Grateful minds. Grateful minds. Ministry, minister. Art or mentor programs, success goals, regenerations, business, employment sectors, acceptable, party, okay. Okay. Tata, bye bye. Next to meet you. Learn more fast. Sharing everyone's knowledge, learning mindset, ministry mindset, summer mindset.